Hey, what's up? What's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck here, back again with the group Crypto Black. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Happy Wednesday. I want to get into this real quick. I don't know if you guys have been seeing recently in the news, but China has officially uh, took Hong Kong under their wings. They're gonna be governed under China, not gonna be separate with their own laws and everything. So um, it's gonna be one China. So Hong Kong obviously opposed this, and they are looking to go into stable coins to resist the national security law. Okay, they want to be able to protect themselves and protect their assets, being underneath for the China Communist Party. Okay, so let's get right into it. And I think it's good news because Hong Kong is 7.4, the population about 7.4 million people, and that money coming over to stable coins could eventually come over all together over to other crypto assets, which could boost the price up. So on those assets. So it says Hong Kong, some local citizens are turning to crypto assets and encrypted communication to resist financial surveillance and internet censorship. Hong Kong's national security law, enacted on June 30th, aims to quell opposition to China's ruling Communist Party. The laws has raised widespread fears of a clampdown on free speech and tighter control over the city's financial system. Under the new law, the Hong Kong government will be able to freeze and confiscate assets from people or organizations that are suspected of being involved in national security crimes. And that could be anything the Chinese government come up with, you know. So data suggests people in Hong Kong are increasingly using stablecoins, which are digital tokens whose value is pegged to fiat currencies, as a way of keeping their assets independent of a banking system that is subject to government control. As the chart above demonstrates, trading volume between Hong Kong dollars and the US dollar peg stablecoin USDT saw a surge in early June on the fiat crypto trading platform Tybit. The surge followed the decision to strengthen Hong Kong's national security law, which was unveiled by Chinese legislators during the two sessions, the largest annual political gathering in mainland China. The second trading surge on the exchange followed the enactment of the new law on June 30th. The data analyzed by Coinbase was based on a relatively small sample due to limited access to stablecoin trading volumes and the fact that many stablecoin purchases have been via over-the-counter trades in Hong Kong and mainland China. The trend could also be influenced by a handful of whales or the investors holding a large number of assets trading during these periods of time. But the surge of stablecoin trade could also signal Hong Kong citizens' desire to protect their assets, like what I said before. All right. So it says many people don't believe that they trust the government or banks to keep their assets safe anymore, said Brian Yim, a university student in the UK whose family is still in Hong Kong. Yin says people he knows are trying to buy crypto assets in Hong Kong. If the Hong Kong police and government consider you as a national security suspect, they can seize your assets and even just take them. So that's the beauty of cryptocurrency. You know, it's your money. It's your money. I like to call it digital mattress money. You know, it's yours, and it's your possession, and no one, and you can keep as much as you want, and you know you control it. So, and you don't have to worry about anybody seizing it and taking it. And it's my wallet. So only you have the. That's why it's very important to keep those private uh, your your uh, your privacy and keep your private keys to yourself, and so you can actually keep your money. All right, and no one can seize it. If the government come and ask for it, hey, they need your private keys. You don't have your private keys? Yeah, good luck. So even before the national security law, stablecoins played a special role in Asia. Stablecoins such as USDT are a popular way to avoid capital controls and make cross-border money transactions less traceable. Mainland China citizens might use stablecoins in Hong Kong to make money transfers that exceed the yearly capital control of $50,000 that is imposed by the People's Bank of China. All right, so I'm not gonna read everything. You guys get the gist. To some more secure communication. So in addition to concern over the security of financial assets, the national security law also sparks fears of internet censorship and more intense surveillance over personal data. Major U.S. tech companies, including Facebook, Google, and Zoom, said they would temporarily stop cooperating and sharing user data with Hong Kong authorities. Local governments said companies violating the new law will face penalties, including the jailing of companies' employees. So Chinese video app TikTok has decided to withdraw from stores in Hong Kong and make its services inaccessible to its local users. So let's get over here and read a little bit more. So traditionally, when the Hong Kong government and companies collect your data, the expectation is that the data stays with the agency for the purpose in which the information is collected, and it doesn't travel and get integrated into other platforms. Wang said, however, the police in mainland China share people's data across platforms. The national security law does not let the police have that power either, but over time it will lead to the erosion of the data protection regime in Hong Kong. I think there's a certain danger of that, Wang said. More tech-savvy people would use VPNs through which users can cross the Great Firewall and protect their identities on the internet, Wang said. VPN downloads in the Apple Store surged on the heels of Beijing's announcement to enact the national security law. 7 out of 10 of the most downloaded apps, excluding games, are VPN apps. Still, China's Great Firewall can recognize traffic from VPN services. So anonymizing user information is another step individuals can take. Here too, crypto can play a role in helping Hong Kong residents keep their communications private. Stephen Waterhouse, CEO of VPN provider Orchard, said disguising the traffic as video data can obfuscate what users are doing online, and using crypto tokens to pay for services rather than bank-linked fiat accounts can help users protect themselves. So crypto could also help people in Hong Kong keep their communications private. The firewall can still recognize VPN traffic and prevent users from accessing blocked content, he said. The blockchain can in many ways be used to register the nodes as part of the network and enable payments between the users and the nodes that are providing the VPN services. So guys, tell me what you think about this here. Like I said, I think it's good news because what it's going to do is going to bring more people into crypto. So a lot of people that's trying to protect their assets, they're going to go into stable coins. People that don't really know about crypto, they're going to get into it. And then they're going to say, hey, what's this Bitcoin? Hey, what's Ethereum? Maybe I'll start putting some money from stable. Since I'm already here in Tether, I can buy some Bitcoin, some other crypto, some alts. So I think it's a good idea. I think it'll be good for the market and bring more mass adoption. That's what it's all about. And you can move money all around, very, very, very cheap, pennies on a dollar, especially compared to bank wires and wiring money all around the world using services like MoneyGram and all the other services that's out there. So let me know what you think about this article here. Again, my opinion, I think it's a great idea. I think it's great for the community. And drop your comment below. Let me know what you think. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you're on Facebook, join the group Crypto Black. You share a lot of information over there. Not just articles, but a lot of good information and coins that we're into and that's been gaining. Yeah, man, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black. Stack sats and chill, baby. We out.